Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. We have a Volkswagen case here. A customer did bring this into us to blast, but we're going to talk about the importance of disassembling your pieces before putting it in a vapor honing machine. Although the media doesn't get embedded in surfaces and it doesn't pack in tight areas, it can still flow through different parts of your part and get into the inside. So if this piece does not get disassembled when it's blasted, the media could just sit in there and may be complicated to get out. So it's best to break down things 100% of the way that you can so that you can not only clean everything effectively, but make sure you don't have leftover media or anything in there that's complicated to get out. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563.